Alright, peace. We're on problem number 3 of the problem book. Let's read it. A sheep contains 14 square feet, and 1/10 of a square inch contains 10,000 hairs. How many will 14 square feet contain? First step, we're going to go ahead and convert from our feet squared, so the square feet, into square inches. And we have 1 square foot is equivalent to 144 square inches. We convert feet to inches. 1 foot is 12 inches, and multiply 12 by 12, we get 144. 14 square feet total for the sheep. So we get 14 square feet multiplied by 144 inches squared, and we get 2016 inches squared. Step 2, we're going to find out how many 1/10 of a square inch are contained within the sheep. Okay, so we're going to divide the 2016 inches squared divided by 1/10. We get 20,160 units. Okay. The final step is going to get our answer, where we just multiply the number of units by the number of hairs, and we get 201,600,000 hairs. And that's our answer for problem number 3 in the problem book. Now we're going to get into the meaning of this. So, the meaning of the 201,600,000 hairs. First, we see that it ends in the number 600,000. This is a document called Concerning the Secret Wisdom of the 23 Scientists, written in June 13th, 1952 by the Honorable Elijah Muhammad. And pertaining to this, I'm actually going to read both of these sentences one time and then we'll continue. So first sentence is Mustafa of the 4th Quran, by supreme law of mathematics, was able to measure sound and light on a wave that is governed by the 9 laws of mathematics. Mala has written the present revelation over 600,000 years ago. Think about that, brother. 600,000 years ago. So again, this one ends in 6,000. Now if we add the digits up, we get 2 plus 1 plus 6, and that's 9. So the 9 planets are ruled by the sun, and there's 9 laws of mathematics, as we just showed. Now, 9 multiplied by 12, okay? And we'll get into a document for this 12, and the sun is 108 times larger than our planet. Alright, so all that. Well, we know that basics is 9 times 12 is equal to 108. But let's hop into a document. Okay, this document here, a summary of the flag demonstration given to the MGT and GCC by Captain Bernstein Sharif, Thursday, May 20th, 1948. So we're documenting our sources. Alright, let's read this sentence. The first letter we will explain is the letter F, which means freedom, and is represented by the sun. The sun, which is a great ball of fire, 853,000 miles in diameter, is 108 times larger than our planet. That's where we get that 108. And is 93 million miles from the Earth to the sun. Now the sun and the heart, mind, or intention, those are rulers. Alright, let's talk about the 12 tribes. This document here is written by the Honorable Elijah Muhammad. And I'm going to just read it. The square inch, so often spoken of, means we must be square in righteousness before leaving this wilderness. 12 inches equals 1 foot. 12 tribes equal the earth inhabitants or nations. A square foot equal 144 inches, which is 12 times 12, and if it takes 12 times 12 inches to make only 1 square foot of 144 inches, then this teaches us to be able to stand on the square of righteousness. One must pass the test of the 12 tribes, the same as 12 times 12 equals 144. Then we are square 144,000 righteous people ready to become a cube. 12 tribes, 12 major scientists, 12 minor scientists, 144. 12 times 12 is 144. 12 major, 12 minor, 144. Then we are 144 multiplied by 1,000 gives us 144,000 righteous people. Now these are the suns, the stars, the rulers. Really the first to give 100% to the teaching. Pass the test of the 12 tribes. It's the initiation of the heirs. That means the hairs here represents heirs, because he's something like a king looking for a kingdom. The head contains 12 cranial nerves, and the cranial nerves have to do with the DNA, which have to do with your glands of perception.